Hey guys, EVP Man here, and today we have another secret product that was sent to us for review. Let's go ahead and check it out. Love the creative packaging and how this product was sent over. So today we're going to be taking a look at a solar battery backup solution. Let's go ahead and check it out.
Make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the little bell icon to get notified when new videos become available.
Now included in the package you'll find your battery and you'll find a micro USB charging cable. Now the battery itself features a waterproof design, 20,000 milliamp hours, and it also on one side has a dual function. Not only is this a lamp, but it's also a wireless charger to charge those phones that you have that are Qi charging capable. The light itself is going to give you 70 hours of flashlight power, and it can charge up to 4 devices at the same time. Now this is a massive battery, but this is great for not just only camping, but let's say for example you're going all day into a park type setting like Universal Studios, MGM, something like that where you just need power to power multiple devices. You do have here the ability to charge 3 devices at the same time, and the fourth is done by the wireless charging port here. You do have a solar capability here, and then as you press the button here you can see what your level of your battery level is, and it is measured 25, 25, and 25, to 100%. You have a little area here that you can clip this to a backpack if you like as well. Now the wireless charging does work pretty well. The challenge though with the wireless charging is that it has to be with a naked phone. So if you have a case on the phone, especially some of the more rugged cases, UAG, OtterBox, it's not going to work. But wireless charging will take. Now for both iPhone and for Samsung devices, the wireless charging is going to do a good job. However, for the Samsung, it's not doing the fast wireless charging. Now other features in this battery include the lamp. So if I press this twice, you'll see how bright this is. We'll go ahead and put it right here so you can see the bright. I'm going to bring it over on camera, so watch your eyes. So it is a very bright lamp. If I put my hand over here so you can see how bright it is, this is going to be great as a camping accessory as well. And then also, given the fact that you can wirelessly charge, leave this hanging from your backpack, and then as you're hiking, or if you're in a college campus, you just lay it face down and it's going to charge as, again, you're just having the unit out. Now, regardless of the device that you connect to the charger, it's going to charge it at its fastest possible rate. However, it's not a Qualcomm type device. So it's not doesn't support QC fast charging. As we look here at my S9, you'll notice that it says cable charging and how long it will take to fully charge. The neat thing again about this battery is that it's going to be able to support your iPhones, your Samsung phones, your Google phones, Motorola, LG, and also power other devices. So if you have speakers, a smart speaker that you want to charge, pretty much anything that you're looking to charge is going to be able to charge with this without having to worry about which port you're plugging into, because it would automatically adjust. And once again, 3 devices plus wireless charging all at the same time. So guys, that concludes our review of the Charge Labs portable battery solution. Now again, massive battery with solar capabilities, capable of charging up to 4 devices at the same time. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.